Chief Minister Revant Reddy has instructed irrigation department authorities to complete the pending excavation of the Srisailam Left Bank Canal project tunnel on a priority basis to enable irrigation of 4 lakh acres. He told the officials to speed up the work on Narayanpet Kodangal lift irrigation scheme. The CM wanted the authorities to complete all projects that require lesser expenditure so that farmers could get water early. He also told them to complete the excavation of the Srisailam Left Bank Canal SLBC project tunnel on priority basis to irrigate 4 lakh acres and also speed up work on Narayanpeta Kodangal lift irrigation scheme. రాజశేఖర్ రెడ్డి సమయంలో మిగిలిపోయిన శ్రీశైలం లెఫ్ట్ బ్యాంక్ కెనాల్ పనులు పూర్తయితే రేవంత్ రెడ్డి ఆదర్శనీయుడవుతాడు.